5 tips that make you a bad car owner. Neglecting regular maintenance. Neglecting regular maintenance tasks like oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections can cause your car to experience accelerated wear and tear. This can ultimately lead to a shorter lifespan and decreased performance of your vehicle. It's important to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule to keep your car running smoothly for longer. Ignoring warning signs. Promptly addressing potential problems is essential for the long-term health of your vehicle. Ignoring warning signs from your vehicle, such as strange sounds or dashboard lights, can lead to more serious and expensive issues in the future. It's crucial to address any unusual behavior promptly to maintain the long-term health of your car. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can prevent larger problems down the line and help you avoid unexpected costly repairs. Neglecting cleaning and care. Regular washing, waxing, and interior cleaning help maintain the aesthetic appeal and condition of your vehicle. Neglecting to clean and care for your car can have negative consequences on its appearance and resale value. Regular cleaning, including washing, waxing, and interior maintenance, is essential to preserve the aesthetic appeal and condition of your vehicle over time. By investing time in proper care now, you can help ensure that your car maintains its value in the future. Reckless driving habits. Safe and considerate driving practices contribute to the longevity of your vehicle. Reckless driving habits such as aggressive driving, frequent speeding, rapid acceleration, and harsh braking can have negative effects on your vehicle. These behaviors can lead to increased wear on your car's components, reduced fuel efficiency, and a higher risk of accidents. On the other hand, safe and considerate driving practices not only contribute to the longevity of your vehicle but also help ensure your safety and that of others on the road. It's important to drive responsibly for both the well-being of your car and everyone around you. Delaying repairs. Addressing problems promptly helps maintain the reliability and safety of your car. Delaying repairs on your car can have serious consequences. By putting off necessary repairs or resorting to temporary fixes, you may be setting yourself up for more extensive and costly problems down the line. Promptly addressing issues not only helps maintain the reliability of your vehicle but also ensures its safety for you and others on the road. Remember, taking care of small problems now can prevent bigger headaches later on. It's important to note that being a responsible car owner involves regular maintenance, prompt attention to issues, safe driving practices, and overall care for your vehicle. Rev up your support for CarSwagger. Subscribe to stay in the fast lane for the latest car reviews, exciting adventures, and expert insights. Hit that like button if you're a true car enthusiast. Drop a comment with your favorite car model or what you'd love to see next. Don't forget to share the horsepower. Spread the word by sharing this video with your fellow gearheads. Join the CarSwagger community and let's drive into the future together.